Hello, how are you? In this video I will show you how to download a video from Facebook, so let's start it. First open the Facebook and double click on the video you want to download. Now open a new tab and write here the link en.safefrom.net, link in the description. Then open the Facebook tab and right-click on the video, then click on copy the video link at current time. Then open the other tab and paste the video link. So finally we see our video, then choose the video format and then click to download. So finally downloading is started. Now open the folder and play the video. Thanks for watching.